गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर हैप्पी एंड फाइन। सो बच्चों, हैव यू एवर थॉट हाउ डू सो मैनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स ग्रो ऑन अर्थ? दिस इज अवर चैप्टर, that is growing plant. Okay, so today we will start with this lesson, growing plant. Like all living beings, plants produce their own kind. जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं पिक्चर में, हर लिविंग बीइंग का अपने तरह का अपना एक रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं वो। इन द सेम वे प्लांट्स आल्सो reproduce. So what is this reproduction? Reproduction means generation again. Re again, production, generation, right? So plants produce young plants and this process is called reproduction. Okay? Most plants produce through seeds. बहुत सारे अधिकतर प्लांट्स किससे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? सीड से. And some plants produce through spores and parts of their body. So today in this chapter we will learn how most plants produce through seeds. बच्चों seeds क्या होता है? ये आप देख रहे हैं, जो सारी पल्सेस आप खाते हैं ये सारे सीड्स हम कंज्यूम करते हैं, राइट? सो दीज आर सीड्स जो हमारे फ्रूट और फ्रूट के अंदर आपको जो सीड्स मिलते हैं, बीज मिलते हैं, राइट? द सेकेंड प्रोसेस इज थ्रू स्पोर्स. जब आप देख रहे हैं दूसरे वाले डायग्राम में, दीज आर द स्पोर्स थ्रू which plants produced. And the third one is through different parts of their body. So bachcho, as you know, in the plant there are two systems. One is shoot system and other is root system. The root system is one which is found below the surface of earth and one which is above the surface of earth is shoot system. The function of root is to absorb all the minerals and water. Shoot system includes various leaves, stem, fruits and flowers. You can see this in this diagram. So in most of the plants, there are green in color and we call them food factory of plant. The leaves of the plants are the food factory of the plants. The other parts are different flowers and fruits, right? So the flowers convert into fruit and inside the fruit you can see the seed. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब आप मैंगो खाते हैं तो उसमें एक सीड दिखाई देता है, ठीक है? So first of all we will see how a new plant grow from the seed. So here you can see the seeds of different types of fruits. So seeds are found in fruits and most plants bear flowers which wither and change into fruits. Fruits have seed inside them and seeds germinate and grow into new fruit. Here you can see the close picture of seed, right? How it germinate. The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. So bachcho, here is the method how seed germinating and germinate. First of all, we can sow a seed into the soil. You know, sow means to जब हम मिट्टी में सीड को डालते हैं. The next level, it shows germination of seed. You can see a small part coming out of the seed. Then after some time, the part move in the downward direction. So the part become the root system of the plant. Some part come above the surface of the earth and this part will become the shoot system. जो अंदर जमीन में चला गया वो इसका रूट सिस्टम हो जाता है प्लांट का और जो पार्ट ऊपर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है वो पार्ट शूट सिस्टम है. So here you can see a young plant develop from the seed, and all seeds need adequate air, water, and sunlight to germinate. If any one condition is missing, the seed will not grow into healthy plant.